Hello everybody, welcome to Anushka Tech YouTube channel. So in today's class we'll continue with the further problem solving related to trigonometric ratios of specific angles. Okay, so let's start with problem number 1. So the question is, in triangle PQR right angled at Q. Okay, there is a triangle PQR which is right angled at Q. PQ is equal to 3 centimeter and PR is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, so what we are supposed to do is determine the angle QPR and angle PRQ. So basically we are supposed to find out what will be the value of angle P and what will be the value of angle R, or what will be the angle P as well as angle R. So in the previous problem how it was, we were supposed to find the length of the sides. Now we are supposed to find the angles. Okay, so let us start now. So as usual, let us draw our right angle triangle. So this is our right angle triangle. So in this case it is PQR, which is right angled at Q. So PQ, it is right angled. So PQR is our right angle triangle. We are supposed to find out what is the angle, right? That is QPR and angle PRQ. So we have to find both of these angles, that is angle P as well as angle R. So what they have given is, they have given the value of sides. So PQ side is how much? 3 centimeter, and PR side is how much? It is 6 centimeter. Okay, so we have to find the third side also. We have to find the third side by using what? Trigonometry, by using Pythagoras. So we can find the third side by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, or we can simply find the angle P, and with the help of angle P we can find what is the angle R. Okay, so what we'll do now is we'll find the angle P first. Okay, so let us take it as cos P. Why cos P? Because we have adjacent and we have hypotenuse value. Okay, so solution. So cos of angle P is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So that is what? PQ divided by PR. So what is the value of PQ? The value of PQ is 3 and the value of PR is how much? It is 6. So 3 divided by 6 is 1 by 2. Therefore what? Cos P is equal to 1 by 2. So we already know for what angle the cos value becomes 1 by 2. So we know that it is 60 degree, right? Therefore P is equal to 60 degree. So we found the value of angle P. So next is we can find the value of angle R also, because sum of all the angles in this right angle triangle is how much? It is we can apply angle sum property also. So this is 90 degree, this is 60 degree. So obviously it will be how much? 90 degree, because angle sum is what? Sum of all the angles should be equal to 180. 90 plus 60 is 150 plus 30 will be 180. So therefore angle R is equal to 30 degree. We can find this by finding this particular side also. Okay, so since two angles are known, easily we can find out the third angle also. So this is how you can solve this type of question. So first, already we know one of the angle is 90 degree. We have to find another angle with the help of ratio of the sides. Then once we get the second angle, easily we can find the third angle by adding the first two angles and subtracting with 180 degree. Done. So next we'll go with the second problem. Okay, so what is the question is, if sine of A minus B is equal to 1 by 2, cos A plus B is equal to 1 by 2. See, the condition is sum of A plus B, it should be greater than 0 and less than or equal to 90 degree, because we are dealing with acute angles. So it should not exceed 90 degree. It must be less than or equal to 90 degree. And the another condition is A is greater than B. So that is angle A is greater than angle B. So what we are supposed to do here? Find angle A and angle B. So again it becomes very easy. So we have to find what is the value of A and what is the value of B. So what is there given is, given sine A minus B is equal to 1 by 2 and cos A plus B is equal to 1 divided by 2. So for what angle of sine, the value will be 1 by 2. So we already know it is for 30 degree. Therefore A minus B is equal to 30 degree. This, so let us take it as equation number 1. Since sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Now coming to this particular cos case. Okay, so for what value of A plus B, so what value of angle cos will be 1 by 2, so that is obviously 60 degree. So A plus B will be equal to how much? 60 degree, since cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. So we already know sin 30 is same as cos 60. So we got equation number 1 and equation number 2. So for solving equation 1 and 2, we can find the value of A and B separately. Okay, let's what we'll do now, adding equation 1 and 2. So what we are going to get now when we add them, so it will be A minus B equation 1 LHS plus A plus B equation 2 LHS is equal to 30 degree plus 60 degree. Okay, so open the bracket, A minus B plus A plus B is equal to 90 degree. So minus B plus B will cancel, so it will be how much now? 2A is equal to 90 degree. Therefore A is equal to 90 divided by 2 is 45 degree. So we got the value of A as 45 degree. Now we can substitute the value of A in either equation 1 or equation 2, and we can get the value of what? That is B. So next what we'll do is substitute A equal to 45 degree in equation 2. So it will be how much? 45 degree plus B is equal to 60 degree. B will be how much? 60 degree minus 45 degree is equal to 15 degree. So therefore B is equal to 15 degree. We got A as 45 and B as 15. We need to check whether the specified conditions are satisfied. So A plus B, obviously it is greater than 0. That is A plus B, how much it is? 60 degree. It is greater than 0 and also it is less than 90 degree. First condition is satisfied. Now next we have to check whether A is greater than B. Yes, A is 45 and B is 15. So therefore what? A is greater than B. Hence both the conditions are satisfied and we got the angle values, A as 45 and B as 15 degree. Okay. So next we will deal with the last problem of today's class. Okay. It is also similar to the first, the above problem. Okay. In the previous they were given sine and cos, now they have given simply tan and tan. So what they have given is, given tan of A plus B is equal to root 3 and tan of A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay, so for what value, for what angle tan becomes root 3. Okay, so we already know it is how much? It is for 30 degrees. Sin 30 is 1 by 2, sorry, it is 60 degree. So sin 60 is root 3 by 2 and cos 60 is 1 by 2. So sin by cos will be left with only root 3. So therefore for tan 60 it will be root 3. A plus B is equal to 60 degree because tan 60 is equal to root 3. So let us take this as equation number 1. So in the second case, so it 1 by root 3 means for 30 degree. So A minus B is equal to 30 degree, equation number 2. Since tan 30 is equal to 1 divided by root 3. Okay, so again same thing, we need to add equation 1 with equation 2. So what we'll get now? A plus B plus A minus B is equal to 60 plus 30. So here minus plus B minus B will cancel, we will be having only 2A is equal to 90 degree. Therefore A is equal to how much? Half of 90 is 45 degree. So similarly we can substitute the value of A in equation number 1. So substitute A is equal to 45 degree in equation 1. So what we'll get now? So it is 45 plus B is equal to 60 degree. B is equal to how much? 60 degree minus 45 degree is equal to 15 degree. Therefore we got the value of P is equal to 15 degree. Again we need to check, okay, whether sum is less than 90 degree and greater than 0. Yes, again it is greater than 0 and less than 90, and obviously angle A is greater than angle B. So both the conditions are satisfied, and hence we found the value of A as 45 and B as 15 degree. Okay guys, this is it for today's class, and again we'll meet in the next class. Till then, thank you.